Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, chrome mirror caps, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, trailering package. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.